Hello all, Namaste. Welcome to Mother Teacher Training Academy. And today I am with the next letter video of Hindi letters. As a process of learning to trace the Hindi letters, we are with the letter O today. So let's not waste any time and get into the tracing of the letter. So as always, we are once revising the previous letter what we have learned, that is E. So let's start tracing the letter E, that is Badi E, a small standing line, English letter S with a loop down, a sleeping line across with a small hook. Yes, so this is Badi E. What is this? This is Badi E. Now let's see the next letter, that is U, the Choti U. It's very simple. You can either start from here saying it's number 3 and a sleeping line across it. This makes U. Let's do it again. Number 3 and a sleeping line across it. This is U. Number 3 and a sleeping line across it. That is U. Don't forget to mention the letter when you are writing it. Okay. Now let's go for the words of letter U, which starts with the letter U. U se Upvan. Upvan is garden. The garden where we go and play, where we have beautiful flowers, trees around us. So this is U se Upvan. Yes. The next word is U se Ullu. Ullu is owl. U se Ullu. U se Uphar. Uphar is a gift. We gift something to our friends, for our relatives and all. That is Uphar. U se Uphar. So what are the 3 words we have learned? U se Upvan, U se Ullu, U se Uphar. Yes, so these are the 3 words with the letter U. Hope you have learned it and it's quite easy, right? Yes. Now let's see the tip of the day. So the tip is Nature Connect Art. Parents, it is very simple. They understand, all the kids understand it very easily. Moreover, they enjoy doing it because it is with the colors and very simple things which are available at home. You can just take few sticks. If you do not, as you see in the picture, it is the straws. If you do not have straws, you can just use any kind of sticks and then just stick it across, and with the fork you have to take the prints, give the prints like flowers, if you see. And you can give the green bush kind of effect with a small sponge also. If you have a sponge, you can dip that, ask your child to dip it and then dab it on the paper. So this is a Nature Connect art, and you can just even ask, not only just this picture, you can just ask them, what do you see in the garden? Let them connect to the nature, let them recollect what they have seen, and they can add a few birds or the butterflies, whatever they want to do. So by this, the child is more connecting to the nature, trying to recollect what they have seen. And you can use this as a mindful activity also, where you can ask the child to close their eyes and then just ask what kind of sounds you will hear when you're in a garden. You can give me a list of 3 sounds what you listen in the garden, and you can just give me 3 colors what you can see in the garden. So by this, all their senses are activated. So by this, the child is more mindfully doing. Hope this tip helps you, and let me meet you in my next video. Thank you so much. Namaste.